welcome back to Keto Homestead with Jess. We got a mail call. Woohoo! See what it is. We like double bagged it. Oh no. We got the magic bullets. Woohoo! I can make my homemade granola. They didn't put a note in it this time. This is from Dragon. Thank you so much, Dragon. I'm super excited. We're back in business for making granola. Maybe. We got directions. We've got the cups. This one has a little handle on it, so you can drink right out of it. There's a lot of packaging in this one. It's different too. Those won't bust off. The one I had just plastic in here, like clear plastic, and this is completely built different, which is cool. Oh, these are cool. They actually come with lids, so you can take these off. Right? And then just put your lid on there. That's cool. We got the blender cup part. What's this? Product registration card. Oh, that's pretty nifty. It actually comes with like a coffee lid. And then here's the actual blender part. It says, don't touch. And that's actually rubber. That part, yeah, it's rubber instead of being that hard plastic. You still gotta line it up though and make sure it's on there right. That's pretty slick. So we got the magic blender. Thank you so much, Dragon. Really appreciate it, and I will put it to good use. Thank you so much. Till next time, bye.